Should you use Aliexpress for dropshipping? Dropshipping is a great way to start e-commerce without worrying about inventory or shipping. It's as simple as listing a product for sale on your website and emailing your supplier to have the item shipped on your behalf when you receive an order. While starting a dropshipping business is a great way to get into e-commerce, searching the internet for a reliable supplier can take time and effort. Well, with Oberlo, you can find millions of products you can dropship, such as on Aliexpress. So let's dive into the video to know how to use it. Here we begin. Aliexpress, also known as AliEx, is an e-commerce platform allowing you to source products and connect with suppliers. Jack Ma, a Chinese-based internet entrepreneur known for founding the Alibaba Group, founded Aliexpress in 2010. Alibaba Group is an internet conglomerate that owns a number of online businesses, including Aliexpress. Consider Aliexpress to be an online marketplace where you can literally buy anything in any quantity that you want. As a result, Aliexpress is an excellent platform for running a dropshipping business. When a customer places an order on your website, you go to Aliexpress, find the product, pay for it, and request that the supplier ship it directly to your customer. There's no need to keep any inventory. There's no need to be concerned about tracking your shipment. All of it is taken care of for you right out of the box. It is critical to find the right supplier for your dropshipping business. Working with the wrong supplier can make your life a living hell. But the right supplier can make dropshipping a pleasurable experience for you and your customers. Interestingly, you can also sell on Aliexpress if you want to. Why dropship with Aliexpress? To begin, dropshipping with Aliexpress is very simple. All you need to do is find a product, pay for it, and provide the seller with the address to which you want the product shipped. Oberlo is making things simpler, and even if you run on Spotify. With Oberlo, you can easily find and import products directly from Aliexpress and list them on your Shopify website. Another advantage of dropshipping with Aliexpress is that you don't have to worry about product photos because the seller you're buying from already has them for you. Of course, if you want, you could try taking better product images. How is Aliexpress for dropshippers? Although many Aliexpress suppliers are retailers, the vast majority of Aliexpress users are resellers, which is a well-known fact. As a result, Aliexpress dropshipping is extremely simple because suppliers have previously worked with dropshippers and are willing to work to your specifications. There is no upfront cost or fee to dropship from Aliexpress, so you can test products without any financial commitment. With a few clicks, you can find, import, and sell Aliexpress products on your Shopify store using the Automizely app. How to dropship with Aliexpress. To use Aliexpress with dropshipping, follow these steps. First, create an online store on a platform like Shopify. Then, using an app like Automizely, you can import products from the Aliexpress marketplace. Automizely streamlines and syncs your Aliexpress imports from within your Shopify storefront by notifying you of any inventory or price changes from your supplier. It can help you send tracking codes to your customers once their orders have been dispatched. Finally, when a customer orders from your store, you can contact your supplier and request the same item be shipped directly to them. How to find suppliers for your Aliexpress dropshipping store. Because the product is shipped directly from your supplier's warehouse to your consumer, you can easily lose control of the customer experience when using Aliexpress dropshipping. Dropshipping can be a liability if your goal is to provide excellent customer service, which is essential. Although Aliexpress, as a marketplace, handles untrustworthy suppliers as best as it can, we still recommend exercising extreme caution when selecting dropshipping suppliers. Look for e-packet delivery. When using Aliexpress for dropshipping, consider your shipping options. This is a common stumbling block that most dropshipping e-commerce entrepreneurs must overcome. Keep an eye out for Aliexpress dropshipping suppliers who provide the best delivery options from your e-commerce store. Aliexpress premium shipping strikes the best balance between cost and speed. Shipping via e-packet, also known as Aliexpress premium shipping, is ideal. Most e-packet deliveries arrive within 30 days door to door and include a tracking code that your customers can use to find out where the order is. Buy from suppliers with a 90% plus positive feedback. Positive feedback ratings are a great way to evaluate an Aliexpress dropshipping supplier in general. Rating systems for products and sellers are critical in any market. Consider walking through a flea market when someone shouts that the guy in the next booth is a con artist. If you're not going to purchase from him, the same thing should be applied to AliExpress. The virtual AliExpress marketplace is no different. Listen to what other merchants have to say about each supplier and take notes. Essentially, look for the highest rated spenders and suppliers to identify the most trustworthy ones. Navigate to the specific supplier's page on Aliexpress.com and click the Feedback tab to find the feedback ratings. The following is a breakdown of the scores listed here. The feedback score represents the seller's sales volume, whereas positive feedback represents the supplier's feedback rate. When sourcing AliExpress dropshipping products for your store, you should always aim for a positive feedback rating of 90% or higher. Also, consider how long the supplier has been an AliExpress seller and the customer reviews that they have received. Don't always go for the lowest price. This is how AliExpress dropshipping marketplaces work. First, original hoodies from a supplier begin selling a high-quality product called Blue Hoodie for $40. Then another supplier, Competitive Hoodies, produces the same hoodie but reduced the price to $15 by using more polyester than cotton. When a merchant like you searches for a blue hoodie, you come across the two that appear identical, but one sells for less. In most cases, the merchant will choose the cheapest option. But Original Hoodies, the first supplier, becomes dissatisfied with the sales and replaces the blue hoodie cotton material with polyester, lowering the price to remain competitive. While choosing the lowest priced product may appear to be the obvious choice, it's important to remember that this type of competition can cause the quality of marketplace products to suffer. Suppliers strive for price competitiveness, and each product type has several similar variations, often at artificially low prices. In short, the price on Aliexpress.com decreases as quality increases. To start a successful e-commerce business, you need to research and compare the prices offered by various suppliers. If several sellers have similar prices on the same product, but one supplier has a significantly lower price, you should be suspicious if the quality of the product has been compromised. Be careful with branded products. On Aliexpress.com, well-known luxury brands are uncommon. Because of these keywords are blocked, you can't even look for Versace or Chanel products. If you see a copyright violation or a counterfeit item sold on AliExpress, please report it. This can include items that look suspiciously similar to well-known brands or logos similar to those of more established brands. What do you think of using AliExpress for dropshipping? Let us know in the comments below, and to not miss out on more dropshipping tips and how to start, subscribe to 33Cube now.